moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. Making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. It's all about us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am just going over my 6 a.m. productive morning routine. You have already seen me work out, get ready. The kids have gotten up, they're dressed, eaten breakfast. We're just now leaving to go do a school drop-off for one little girl, and then Austin has online classes. Can you go get your computer? It's in your backpack, your regular school backpack from yesterday. And then we will come back, I will eat breakfast. I also write down a list of some things I need to do. So every day, it depends. I do the same kind of daily things, but also in the mornings, I like to write down a list of things I need to do that day. Sometimes something needs to get done, sometimes laundry needs to get done, whatever. So today I have laundry, I need to order groceries, I need to tidy up the fridge, I need to clean the back slider and the door frame. It's disgusting. And I have this pile of paperwork that I need to go through, and Austin mistakenly spilled cereal all over the floor.
Mommy,
What?
just wanted to give us our packet thing.
I think it's in your folder.
No, it isn't.
But it's all over the floor. So, we cleaned it up, but it needs to get mopped and vacuumed. So we will do all of that, and then that will be it. I need to eat my breakfast when we get back because I'm starving after my workout. I'll show you that. I am following eating 1,800 calories-ish a day. So just getting back and being healthy and trying to have a productive and relaxing, if possible, with these little nuggets morning routine.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Alright, so the first load of laundry is done and folded and put away. I have a second load in the washing machine. Generally the kids put away their own laundry, but Layton's at school, Austin's busy doing schoolwork. I do it for them when they're either not here or they're at school or whatever, because it just piles up and then I'd rather just have it done and out of the way. So Austin is still doing schoolwork. Speak of the devil. So I'm gonna sit in here and order our groceries and do our meal plan. Then I will share that with you, and then once he is done, he's gonna go outside and play, and I am going to tackle the living room
My friend.
and all of the floors. Yes, with a friend. So that is where we are. I should be wrapping up this whole morning routine in probably about half hour, 45 minutes, hopefully, depending on this little Nuggets school stuff. So.
But you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need
Austin, you can tell like the trail.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Camera battery died, but we are just about done with everything. Actually, we are done with everything. I just need to put the mop away, but we cleaned up all out here. I have to fix the runner, but Austin just moved all the school stuff. We cleaned the floors. One child in a bowl of goldfish, and it looked like a trail of like into the woods in case he got lost. It was literally everywhere. And now he's gonna go read. What did you get?
The new 10th Dogman book. I have read every single one of them.
Yes. How many have you read?
9.
9
I'm
books.
working on the 10th.
You're working on the 10th. All right, go read. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you consider subscribing. I do lots of cleaning videos, organizing videos, minimalist videos, all of that kind of stuff. That is my area and what I love to do. So I hope you consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.